Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. Thank you guys so much for returning for another video with me. So today I have some cleaning motivation for you guys, and as always I hope that it gets you up and going to get some things done around your home. I will be sure to have all of the products that I'm going to be using down in the description box, so definitely check there if you guys are interested. And as always, before we dive right in, if this is your first time here, then hello, welcome. My name is Nina, and I hope that you enjoyed this video and my energy just enough to click that subscribe button. If you are a returning squad member, then welcome back, squad. Go ahead and click that notification bell before you leave so that you get alerts each and every time I upload. So let's get started, guys.
Back to
I did want to mention to you guys that I have been using a combination of the Dawn dish detergent as well as baking soda to clean off the glass cooktop. Now I did find this on Pinterest. I had some stubborn grease stains that I just could not remove no matter how hard I tried. And guys, the combination of these two and a non-abrasive scrubber works like a dream. It does make like a paste at first, but the more water you add, of course, it thins out the combination. And guys, it does such a good job. It doesn't leave any type of film or streaks or anything like that, and it lifts up any stubborn grease stains or food stains that you may have on your cooktop. So I did want to mention that to you guys because it has been a game changer for me.
holding my breath, but it's hard when I am running. Oh, back to my best friend. Didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you. You and me so clueless. Singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep, and you
guys, so I am only going to be steam mopping in the high traffic areas. Everywhere else is just going to get a really good vacuum. I did steam mop the living area as well as the entryway like a day or two prior to this, so it only needed to be vacuumed. I am also still loving the Mrs. Meyers multi-surface or multi-purpose cleaner. I forget what it's called, in Mum. It smells so good, and I absolutely love to wipe down the window sills. It just allows that scent to linger, and it is so refreshing and welcoming.
Wide awake is the way that you left me, side by side in your car in the backseat. Wide awake is the way that you left me. Oh, now it's clear we are here back at your house, and I keep fading into the background. I'm wide awake now, you keep missing out for sure. Take down your walls and let me ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, brick by brick, now let me ooh, ooh, ooh. I wanna be right there by your side. I wanna be there, won't you be mine? Take down your walls and let me, yeah, brick by brick, now let me ooh, in my bed 5 to 12, wish I could sleep. Dream about all the ways you could reach me, but now you keep missing out on me, that's for sure. Take down your walls and let me ooh.
Alright guys, so into the living room. This is going to be super simple and to the point. I needed to vacuum the sofa, fluff the pillows, and then I am going to finish up by doing a light dusting as well as vacuuming in here, and then I'm going to move on to vacuum the rest of the downstairs.
Won't you be mine? Won't you be mine? Won't you be mine? Ooh, wide awake is the way that you I wanna be by your side. I wanna be by your Come out and play. It's Saturday, and I promise I'll love you much better now. The sour taste will wash away, 'cause I promise I'm better now. Wouldn't hold it against you if you say that you don't wanna get close to me, close to what we used to be. But I just feel like dancing. Are you feeling it too? Oh baby, won't you love me? Won't you love me? Won't you love me? Love me like yesterday. Don't you feel it? How it feels, babe. Won't you love me the open kind of new way?
Alright guys, so I have made my way upstairs and I am now in Trinity's bathroom. For those of you that do not know, I do have a teenage daughter. This is not an area that you guys will see me tackle too often, maybe every blue moon. She is responsible for maintaining her living spaces, which includes her bedroom, bathroom, and she does have different chores throughout the house. I did tell her that I would go ahead and tackle her bathroom for her just because my nanny was going to to be coming in a little later in the evening, and I didn't want Trinity to be stressed out about having to rush home from school to get this done. So I went ahead and did it for her. I will say that I'm so grateful because I do not have to hound my kid about staying on top of her household duties. She does it because she knows the standard, and I just believe in structure and discipline, and having her do household duties around the house, it just gives her a form of appreciation for everything that we work hard for. That's just my take on it. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead, tackle the bathroom, finish it up, and again, all of the products will be listed down below.
If you say that you don't wanna get close to me, close to what we used to be, yeah. But I just feel like dancing. Are you feeling the groove? Oh, baby, won't you love me? Won't you love me? Won't you love me? Love me like yesterday. Don't you feel it? How it feels, baby. Won't you love me? Oh, but kinda new way. Oh, but kinda new. Tell me you're feeling it too, babe. And love me like yesterday. Oh, but kinda new. Tell me you're feeling it too. And love me like yesterday. Love me like yesterday. Yesterday.
As I mentioned, my nanny was going to be coming in town a little bit later on this particular evening. If you guys checked out my latest video, then you know I say nanny, I don't say aunt or auntie. So I wanted to come in here and get the guest room all nice and freshened up for her. We were so excited to have her, so we wanted to make her as comfortable as possible. I went ahead and stripped the entire bed the night before and got all of the linen washed. I am still using the same bedding that was previously in our master bedroom, just because I haven't found anything that I absolutely love to come in here, but it is doing just fine for the time being. And again, I made sure everything was just nice and fresh, so I'm gonna go ahead and make the bed as well as hang curtains. The night before, Portia also hung the curtain rod so that I can put the curtains up in here as well.
But I still want you, I do. Baby, can't you see what you do to me? I just can't resist you. You got me drunk in love, I can't sleep. I need to sober up from this dream. But I can't deny you. I can't deny you. I can't deny you. Sorrows, maybe one night you can play the hero, even if I know it's only for show. You're no good for me, we're so bittersweet, but I still want you, I do. Baby, can't you see what you do to me? I just can't resist you. You got me drunk in love, I can't sleep. I
I am into the master bathroom now. I needed to go ahead and freshen up in here. I also wanted to clean the glass, countertops, vacuum, as well as Swiffer. I did want to mention to you guys about the coffee filters that I used to use to clean my glass. I get quite a few questions asking, do I still use the coffee filters? And the answer is yes, definitely. I just do not use them on the big mirrors in the bathroom anymore, or on my shower doors, just because it's so much more space to cover, and I was going through coffee filters like crazy. But I definitely still use them from time to time for small spot cleaning and things like that. So I did want to throw that out there into the atmosphere. I have been using the microfiber towels, and they do a good job. They just sometimes leave some of that fuzzy residue behind that the coffee filters don't.
Got these yellow brown eyes and the smile on his face when he tells me he wants me. Confirm the feelings I can hide when I dance and I sway with his arms tight around me. And sure I mess it up a little later on, but just for now I'll keep dancing. He and his yellow brown eyes and the smile. Ceiling is high in this club, cause right now every move gets me soaring. And when the music's so loud I can't speak, but I sure like to feel it when he's near me. Now ain't it typical, I'm so predictable, but just for now I'll keep dancing. Here with this yellow brown eyes and the smile at this point really gets me excited.
I am going to be putting fresh linen on our bed. I did wash all of our linen as well. And then I am going to go ahead and pick up in the bedroom so that I can get ready to vacuum. Alright guys, so I hope that you all enjoyed this video. As always, if so, please do not leave without giving it a big thumbs up. I really hope that you got some cleaning motivation to get some things done around your home. And as always, come back and join me for the next one. Bye guys.
There's no one else, 'cause baby we got chemistry. You give me the feel.